Master Concepts about Inverse Trigonometric Functions with Anil Kumar. Enjoy the journey of learning. We have a brilliant question from one of our subscribers based on inverse trigonometric function, which is to evaluate the expression cos inverse of cos of 4 pi by 3. Let's see, how do we figure this out? So the expression given to us is cos inverse of cos of 4 pi by 3. Will it be 4 pi by 3 or not? Another thing which you need to think about is why it is not 4 pi by 3. So we're going to answer these questions also, which will give you complete concept. And to learn more right from the very beginning, follow our playlist where we discuss the lesson along with hundreds of examples. Perfect. So in any function or function, we should always begin with the inside function. So let's analyze what is cos 4 pi by 3. So here we have our quadrant. 4 pi by 3 means that you are in quadrant 3, correct? So that is 4 pi by 3. Now, as you know, the cos inverse function is actually defined in quadrants 1 and in quadrant 2. Since 4 pi by 3 lies in quadrant 3, the first step should be to write this as an equivalent trigonometric ratio with the argument, the angle, in quadrant 2. Because using the cost rule, you know that we have a negative value, right? So we'll try to rewrite this in quadrant 2, which you can see is actually 2 pi by 3, correct? So if you visualize this, you have the answer. But the challenge sometimes is how do we write this as cos of 2 pi by 3, right? So look at this step now. So the equivalent function here can be given as cos inverse of cos of, so it is same as 2 pi minus theta also, right? Because this is positive here. So 2 pi minus theta means 2 pi minus 4 pi by 3. And that gives you cos inverse of cos of 6 pi minus 4 pi as 2 pi by 3. Now, in many tests, these are very important steps to follow. Randomly just getting to the answer, you may lose communication marks, especially if you are an IB or AP student. So now we have cos inverse of cos 2 pi by 3, and now we are in quadrant 2, and therefore we can rewrite this as 2 pi by 3. You get the whole idea. That is how such questions should be solved. Make sense? Feel free to write a comment, share your views, and in case you want to really learn and understand the topics, you may send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top, getting admission to the best universities. Thanks for your time and all the best.